we're recording. Hey everybody, thank you again for dropping by for another adventure. I just wanted to say this was filmed back on October 13th, 2023. Should be able to tell by the foliage. And I had a little bit of a layover for about 2 days in Big Sky before I got to Glacier because of the weather. So out there I got to see a little bit of the resort, the entry there, and some of the lifts, which is cool. Got to hang out with some of the locals and show them what was what on the pool table. And okay. Okay. Johnny, run your own. And I got a little editing done, a little bit of work. Other than that, after 2 days, I gassed up, headed to Glacier, and I hope you enjoy this Going to the Sun road. Initially, I get settled in camp and kind of figure out what's what. But yeah, hope you enjoy the ride. Brewster, you want to come say hi? Come here, Brew. Say hi. I'll pick you up. Ready? Say hi, Brewster. There. All right, first night at Glacier. Apgar Campground, B67. This will do. So they don't have any maps. So day one at Glacier, and they're actually, all their services are mostly shut down after today here. Going to the Sun Road is open still. Today might be the last day for it, so we're gonna do that. And they don't have any maps to give out. So service is a little spotty, but I got the old maps on the World Wide Web, you know. And they give me a trail map. This is the visitor center, which is closed. Apgar Visitor Center. I was able to fill up my water in there, which is good, but it is pretty much a ghost town. I think we're gonna do, there's supposed to be some cool colored rocks at Lake McDonald, which is just around the corner here. And then we're gonna hop on to Highway of the Sun, right? Or the Going to the Sun Road. Yeah. A lot of hiking trails here. But since it's so quiet and I'm by myself, I'd be a little nervous. I'd be hiking by myself. Well, it's very quiet. Might run into an old grizzly. I got bear spray. I don't know how bad I want to hike. I was told there's some cool rocks behind the lodge in the water. Let's go see if we can find those. Going to the Sun Road. All right, I hope you enjoyed that west to eastern bound route on going to the Sun Road. Did you like that, Brew Brew? Speechless. Must have been good. At this point, I do have to turn it around. As you can see, I'm gonna start heading back westbound to my campground. I'm just gonna take you along for the ride there. You too, bro. I take a little hike on St. Mary's Falls, or St. Mary Falls, and enjoyed some of the sights, the ride. Gonna share it with you, and you too, bro. This place is amazing.